So over here you can see that I have this image layer right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to rotate it. So one of the ways that you can rotate it is by going around onto the layer menu right here, and by going around onto transform. And here you can see that there's rotate clockwise right here, so you can go around and rotate it clockwise. You can go around and rotate it out over here counterclockwise, just like this as well. If I were to go around over here, you can rotate it 180 degrees just like this as well. So now that is what you have, as you can see. So I can go around onto layer, onto transform right here, and these are the three rotation options. Apart from that, there's arbitrary rotation right here that actually selects out the rotation tool, and you get access to the transform tool right here. Once you do that, you can click and drag this out and rotate out the image according to how you want. So over here in the center, you see the anchor point over here. So you can go around and click and drag this out right here, so that you can see that you can go around and pinpoint to certain location right here. Let me just go around onto move tool right here, just like this. And then I'm going to simply select out the layer right here and select out this option right here. So what you can do is you can go around onto the rotation tool right here, just like this. Select out the image right here, and then you got the rotate. So what you can do is select out the anchor point, keep it on the top, and rotate it from that section, as you can see right here. So once you open up the arbitrary rotation, you can see that you get access to the angle as well. So you can go around and add in the values over here. You can type in the values as you like as well, and utilize the slider to slide out the angle as well, just like this. There's also the center, as you can see right here. So this is the center that you can move out right here. So you can go around and select out the center according to how you want right here, and readjust this as well, as you can see right here. Readjust, and then it goes back right here. You can go around and readjust it, and then you can rotate it right here. So this is what you have. You can also go around and choose different location for the center right here. So it can be left, it can be top left right here, just like this. And then you can see that the anchor point right here, this goes to that location over here. So once you do that, you can go around and rotate over here as well, and you can see that you get back to the rotation option just like this as well. So now let's say I select this again, and you can see that I can adjust it from the side. And that is the rotation option for images inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.